Yeah, so we've come to Sauze do snowboarding again, and we're having a good time. But a guy's come in, lucky man, to sell some stuff. And we don't usually buy things from Lucky Man, but he was awesome, this guy.
Well, two girls from Sardinia bought me a hat.
These two girls.
Yeah, they're busy.
Brava ragazza. They bought Hazel this hat, which got flashy lights on it and stuff.
Everything.
But when I saw this, I just couldn't help buy it. And I just don't think anyone could not buy this thing now that I'm going to show you. You're watching. You've never seen anything like this in your life. Be prepared to be amazed. You think, oh no, I've seen it all. I watch Facebook, I just watch it and I move on. I've seen it all the memes, everything. It's just boring to you, but you haven't seen this. Watch and be prepared to be amazed. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Down with the chicken.
Yeah, that's it. Right. Okay. Bye.
Bye.